My name is Nader, and the reason why I made this course for you guys is because digital marketing changed my life. I can't even describe how much freedom it has allowed me to create for myself. And the fact that there's business out there, it's crazy, it's abundant. You have no idea what's out there waiting for you. And before you do this course, I wrote you guys a little letter. A little note, and I'd really appreciate it if you check it out, because it's all about having faith in the process. Because I promise you, swear to you, if you have faith in yourself and the process, and you have drive and ambition, you're going to be able to create something really amazing for yourself. And this is an industry that could branch out and become an extremely profitable business. So I really want you to go all in, all or nothing. And I really think you're going to get some great value out of this. So I can't wait to work with you. And if you have any questions throughout the course, let me know. I'm always here. What you're going to create. Your own digital marketing agency will consist of a website. When people come to this website, they're going to see how freaking awesome you are, because they're going to see all the services you provide, your mission statement. You're going to have a purpose. Your marketing agency is going to be like a human being, driven, charismatic, and beautiful. You're going to showcase your recent projects, because we're going to get you projects. And we're also going to be showcasing testimonials, because when you do these projects really well, you bet your clients are going to be saying amazing things about you. Also, little catchphrases. First page, first click, every time. We're going to teach you how to form them and place calls to actions on your site so you can get people to buy your services. Also, we're going to teach you how to sell your brand and believe in it. Welcome to the course. Can't wait to help you build your digital marketing agency.